Hey everyone, John Hall here, and in today's video I'm going to give you a bit of a market update, what I actually see is what's happening in the market right now. I'm also going to talk a bit more about what's actually happening right now in the market, because right now in the United States and Australia we're just going through the roof, and I just want to explain to you what I see with that. Secondly, I also want to talk to you about a new trading style that I'm doing right now, and it's working very well. And because of that new trading style, I'm actually developing it right now, an $8,000 piece of software, and I'm actually going to give that out to someone for free, okay? And that's number 3 on my board. I need your help, okay? And that's what I'm going to talk about today in this particular video, okay? So with that $8,000 piece of software, I'm developing it to help me find really good trades with my new trading style, okay? And you'll see exactly why I'm doing that. Okay, so let's move on. Firstly, we're going to talk more about the market update, and then we'll move on to the new trading style, and then you'll see exactly how you can get my $8,000 piece of software, trading software, for free. Okay. So the market update. What's happening with the market right now? We're going through the roof, right? United States. Just recently, the United States poured a whole bundle of cash right back into the market, right? And what's happening to the market right now? We're going up, and then we're going back down, we're going back up, and back down, and then we're going whoosh, and then recently we had this massive spike right back up like that, okay? Or in fact, it was going sideways like this, just going sideways, and suddenly we had this massive big spike up. If you saw United States, we had like about a 200-point rise the other day. Just depends when you're actually watching this video, and that big rise there was due to basically the Fed and the government actually printing money again and putting it all back into the market. I'm not going to spend a lot of time based on that, but basically it's just the Fed printing money and putting it back into the market again. Okay, but I want you to be careful where we are right now, okay? Because if you have a look at jobs, what's happening with jobs right now? Jobs are still really low, right? Especially in the United States, jobs are really low. 8 million jobs lost in the actual credit crisis, okay? If we have a look at mortgages, okay, and also more recently, market's been going through the roof, but what's actually also happening to interest rates? What's happening to rates, especially here in Australia? Like CBA, if you saw what CBA did, a big jump up, right? Interest rates are still going up. So we've got the market continue going up, we've got jobs still at a very low rate, no one's spending money, and now recently, Commonwealth Bank of Australia recently just rose their interest rates, okay? So the whole point of this is that I see very shortly, this market turning. I really do see it, okay? Especially now we're getting into the end of 2010, going to be started 2011 soon. Now I see this particular interest rates, I see the jobs still having a bit of a toll on the actual economy itself, and this rise we're having here just come out of nowhere, okay? So I'm not saying the short term we might still get a bit more up move, but I'm saying late December 2010, early sort of 2011, maybe January, maybe February, where I believe we're likely to see this happen in the market, okay? That's just my opinion. And people that have been following me, you know exactly why I believe that. You know about the jobs, the mortgages, and so on and so forth. So I'm not going to go into too much detail, but with this particular rise that we've seen in the market, just be careful, okay? Because as we know, what comes up really quickly, as we've just seen in gold recently, right? Gold has been going up just massively, just going up and up. And guess what happened? Recently we had this big down spike with gold, right? So is that the start of a new downtrend in gold? I'm not sure. But just be careful, because the market going up really quickly just spells disaster, okay? And especially if you look at the big hedges, you saw my post, especially you're watching on my blog, if you saw my blog post a while ago about the smart money right now is massively short. So the big hedges, the big guys are short. I'm not really buying this up move. So just be careful with that, okay? All right. So that's about the market update. Just be careful with the market Just be careful with the market. Interest rates, jobs, mortgages, everything like that are just really not going for the economy right now. This up move right now is I'm totally not buying. And again, I keep warning people. Okay, this is just a warning. I'm not saying the market's gonna crash anytime soon. I'm just saying, you know, in the next sort of 6 months or so, I believe we're going to see a lot more downside coming than we are seeing right now, okay? So just keep that in mind, and once again, stay protected. That's all I want from you, okay? Just please be protected, that's all. And that's all I really hope for everyone, including myself and also yeah, mother-in-law, father-in-law, and all them as well. All right, so what's next? So we talked about the market update, a new trading style, okay? New trading style, I'm trading a new trading style, and it's basically this. Most people, when they trade, they're either gonna, just say for example, we're gonna have a say of $20. Let's call this an index, stocks, whatever, it doesn't matter, okay? And most people, when they trade, they're either gonna buy it or short it, right? That means if they buy it, they're basically directional traders. So they're either gonna make money when it goes up or when it goes down, but they've gotta be on the right side, right? If they go long and the market goes up, then guess what happens? They're going to make money, but if it goes down, they're going to lose money. So, what happens? What happens if they go long here and the market goes down? They'll lose money. But what happens if they go short here? The market goes down. They're going to make money, right? So basically, that's directional trading. You go long, the market goes up, you make money. You go short through options or spreads or any bearish strategy at all, and the market goes down, you're likely to pick up some nice coin. That's basically directional trading. You go long and so on and so forth. What I'm doing right now is the way I'm trading, and I haven't got time to actually go into it right now, but let's just fix that back up. What I'm doing right now is I'm trading a strategy where it is directional, but I've also got a buffer behind me. Let me explain here. Let's just say I have a bullish view on a particular stock. Okay, I have a bullish view on a particular stock, and this is a $20 stock. Now, on a normal directional trading, what normally happens? Well, when you're at $20, okay, a normal bullish view, if you want the market up, you go long, or you buy an option, or do a bullish spread, or bullish strategies, whatever. Okay, that's what we normally do. Now, what if the market goes down a little bit? What normally happens? You start to lose money on the spread, or the option, or so on and so forth. What I'm doing right now is I'm doing a particular strategy, like I'm doing a particular way of trading where I would have a bullish view and I'll do a bullish strategy. But in some cases, if the market goes up or if it goes sideways, okay? And then in some cases, even if it drops, say 15%, if it drops 15% in say 20, maybe 30 days, I am still going to be doing okay. This is the particular trading I'm doing. Now, how does that work? It works simply. I'm doing what most people are doing, but I'm doing it a bit differently. I've put a bit of twist on the way of doing it. Most people are doing the bullish strategies, but they're doing it in a way where if the market drops down just a little bit, boom, they're losing money. I'm doing the exact same strategies they're doing, but I'm doing it a different way, where if the market goes up, or even sideways, or even down, I can pick up some good coin. Okay? So I'm going to leave that for now. But all these other strategies I'm doing, you can find these trades just by being patient and waiting for these trades and looking for these trades. Okay, so that's basically how I'm trading the particular trades. Now, what I'm doing for myself, okay, now this is for me, is I'm developing a piece of software right now, and it's worth about $8,000. Okay, $8,000. Okay, and this piece of software, what it does is with that trading I showed you just then, where you have a bullish view. But what happens is if it goes up or goes sideways or even goes against you, say 10 or 15%, now that's stock value, okay, not maybe option value, 10 or 15% against you, then you can still do that. You can still be doing okay. Okay, that's the particular strategies I'm doing. Now, what I'm doing is to actually find those particular trades. It actually takes a long time. Okay, sometimes it takes maybe 10, maybe 20 hours to find one really good trade. So I'm developing a piece of software that simply with one click of a button, if it doesn't matter what, there's actually 4 different strategies I'm trading right now. With one click of a button, it's going to scan the market. It's going to scan all the market, all the thousands of stocks you can trade, all the hundreds of different options connected to that particular stock, and the way of trading the strategies. And what it does is it clicks it and then suddenly it brings back all these different trades. And so here's an example. I want to do this strategy and I want to receive a 10% return on my investment for the next 30 days. Okay. I want to have It's a bullish strategy, so I want to have a 15% protection. Okay, and the strategy is only going to last for the next 30 days. Why do I want 30 days time? Sorry if that's a bit hard for you guys to read, but 10%. But the criteria is 10% return on investment, 15% protection. Okay, this is risk protection. Once again, if you're not sure what that means if the market, this is a bullish view, and if the market goes up, you should make money. Market goes sideways, you're going to make money, even if it drops 15%. Right in there, 15%, you're still going to be doing okay. They're the sort of trades that I'm looking for, okay? And that's what exactly the software that I'm developing. That'll be the criteria, and then what will happen is the system itself and the software, once I actually put all that in, I want 10% return on investment, 15% risk protection, blah 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 blah, bullish strategy. Then what happens? It goes out to all the different trades and options and markets and all that sort of stuff, and it comes out. And with this particular strategies, again, there's 4 different strategies. It spits out all these different trades here. Spits out all of them, okay? And then what you can do as an analyst, a fundamentalist, or whatever you technical analyst, whatever you guys do to make up your decision, then what you can do is a piece of software, when you click, just say you like this one here, click on it, and suddenly what happens? What will appear is the actual chart. You can draw your trend lines, you can do whatever you want to, okay? You can draw your, do your Fibonacci levels from here and do Fibonacci retracements, whatever you want to do. That's a full complete charting service as well. So what this piece of software, again, I'm actually really developing this for me because I want the software so 1, I can do the charting, and 2, I can do the scanning for the trades for myself, okay? But what I'm doing is this $8,000 piece of software is I don't know what to name it. I don't know what to call it, okay? So that's where I need your help. Please, on this particular blog, or if you're watching this on YouTube or anywhere else, click the link around here and go to my blog at livetradingroom.com.au, livetradingroom.com.au. Find the particular post, or you'll click on that link, go to the particular blog post, and tell me, and give me some suggestions. Tell me what you think I should call this piece of software, the piece of software that allows me to scan all these different trades, plus actually have a full complete charting service with it as well. Tell me what, and what I'm going to do is this is going to run for the next couple of months, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch who's actually making a post on my particular blog just below here if you're watching this on my blog, and then I'm going to pick the one that I believe is the best suited for my actual the scanner plus also the charting service, okay, the charting platform. When they're combined, I want you to name it, okay, and I'm going to pick the best one that actually I believe is suited for this particular software. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this software to you for free. That's right. I'm going to give it to you for absolutely free. And that means you can scan the market, you can do your trend lines, you can, whatever you want to do, okay? It's all yours for free. So, that's the truth and everything but the truth. Everything. And what I want to say here is this. If you participate here, this piece of software can not only help you become more successful in the market, but also can make you, potentially make you a lot more money in the market as well too, okay? But what you're doing is a lot less risky, but also still getting pretty good high returns here as well. So, alright guys, well that's it for me. I apologize if I was speaking fast because I've only got 10-15 minutes to put this video together, but I wanted to go through everything here for you as well. So if you're on my blog right now, make sure you make a comment below and let me know what you think I should call my scanner, plus also my charting service where it's combined. It's a combined platform where it does the charting and also the scanning as well. Let me know what you think, and I'll speak to you soon.